Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy here, also known as ETCG1. I'm wearing my special hat, and here on ETCG1 I start things off with, hey, if it's your birthday, happy birthday. Please enjoy this digital confection I found for you on the internet. Birthdays sort of tie into today's topic. We only get so many birthdays, and that's it. The same is true for the amount of days that we get, which, are interspersed in between those birthdays. But that's kind of what I want to touch on today. And this comes up because, well, I'm getting older myself. I'm 55. Last year I had my gallbladder removed. I had a collapsed lung once. I'm starting to feel the effects of older age, let's say. I'm not feeling as quick as I used to. It hurts when I get down on my knees. I don't move as quick. I might be a bit more ill-tempered. I'll admit that. But mostly what I'm beginning to realize, well, I've realized it for a while now, is that what I'm doing is very physical as far as being a mechanic and doing all this kind of work. It does involve a lot of physical effort. Because we get older, our bodies wear out. And over time, that physical effort that we're able to make when we're younger, we're just not able to do when we get older. I mean, there's just no getting around that part of it. And I'm not trying to be gloom and doom here. I'm just trying to plant the seed of thought in your mind that you're only going to have so many days doing this, and make them count. The other thing is you really don't know when those days are going to end. They could end sooner than you think. And I say this because I've had friends in the industry over time, and I knew a transmission guy who was like one of the best transmission guys around. He had back problems, and then he had back surgery, and then he had more back problems. And he really wasn't doing transmissions much anymore after that. Another friend of mine worked in the industry for years. One day he develops an allergy to gasoline, and he can't work around gasoline anymore, which completely changed his career trajectory. And I'm not saying these people didn't move on to bigger and better things, but as far as the repair side of things, the physical side of things, there very well is a time, there is a time limit on how long you're going to be able to do it. And how long that's going to be, well, it's hard to say. So for me, I actually have more problems when I sit at my desk editing for hours than I do when I'm out working on stuff. I actually feel like I'm healthier when I'm out working on the car and doing that. But when I sit at my desk for hours and hours on end, like I have recently with some of the recent videos that you've seen, like maybe the S2000 clutch video, that took a whole lot of time. That took 2 weeks to produce, to edit, and to put that out. And I spent a lot of time sitting at my desk, so much so that my hand was starting to hurt so much that I physically couldn't do it. I'm not meaning to go on and on about my ailments, but the point is that it very much brought into focus the fact that I'm not even gonna be able to edit forever. And that's disconcerting, but it does sort of light a fire under me, and it does sort of say, hey, you only got so much time, so get it done. Be thinking about that. So I'm going to leave it with this and ask you about your experiences with this. Do you feel that you only have so many days? Have you gone past those days? Are you now retired? Are you now happy to have somebody else do the work, or maybe not so happy to have somebody else do the work now that you're in this place? And how did you deal with that? How did you overcome that transition from, hey, I can do all this stuff, to, man, it's hard to move around? It's going to happen to all of us sooner or later. So think about it. Maybe plan for it. I don't know, but I'm just planting that seed of thought in your mind, because that's what I do here at ETCG1. I didn't even cover any automotive questions whatsoever. So I ask you go to ericthecarguy.com, which will be linked in the description along with other videos and stuff that you might be interested in. I want to thank you very much for watching today. I'm very much looking forward to your comments on this and how you feel about getting older and how that affects the things that you do. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty. I will see you next time.